This is a fail. We're gonna have to do this again. Before we really get into it, I just want to prep my hanger tool for future swirling purposes. So essentially, I'm just going to like uncoil it.
Stay focused here.
And then bend it into kind of like a U shape.
Make sure that your hanger tool is perfectly sized to fit nicely into your mold.
Okay, so we're going with this as our hanger tool shape.
Looks good to me.
Then take 1 teaspoon of each of your colorants and place it in those containers on top of the oil.
Now, Anne-Marie specifically says that she goes lightest to darkest, like white, yellow, light blue, and dark blue.
So that way I don't have to rinse my mixer in between colors.
So I'm just going with that mentality. There will be no rinsing in this video. Our fragrance.
I'm using a tried and true fragrance oil from brambleberry.com. This crisp cotton fragrance oil. It smells, well, crisp.
The crisp cotton fragrance oil smells like a really intense childhood memory of a bubble bath. So let's open our sodium hydroxide lye, which has been sent to us in this sort of like dangerous orange bag. It looks like it's a house being fumigated. It's like, don't open me, unless you want to make a nice fun craft, in which case do open me.